was I thinking? Just lost it. What happened? That's the word we have to crash. Such an ordinary, boring ride. I mean, thousands of people have driven down and survived. We don't even be able to imagine how much their life can change. What I've been avoiding. And all this. Is that it? To let her go. We need to let Rachel go. I want to live the best kind of life for her, but I don't even know where to start. I'll help you. I'm all right. Trust me, you'll be fine.
Oh, just hurry up, Diego. I'm nearly at the end of my first hour window. Stop it. You were
baby vacation. And life is good.
Bye. Bye.
Harry, are you on the piano?
Oh, Lola, where have you been? We've been worried about you.
Wesley,
She's had to have a little lie down. She couldn't act the pace.
I hear it's been awful.
Oh, I can always go shop for some more supplies. I do feel terrible you missed out on everything.
No, I don't want any wine or a party. I just really want to talk to you.
Diego's coming back from his salsa convention. When he walks through that door, there'll be no time for talking, I can tell you. I'm sorry, love. Tell you what, why don't I make us a pot of